Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Hey, this is the big giveaway drawing for the locks. That's right, locks. There are two of them for the rear storage compartment cubbies, if you will, in the Toyota Tacoma. Now, what we're doing, just a little reminder, we're going to have a drawing here in just a minute, an old school drawing, where we're going to give away two of these. These go or replace the little handles in the cubbies in the back of the Tacoma so that you can lock that storage compartment. Now, if you have 2018 or older, I think it's through 2015 or 16, there is a large cubby on the driver's side and a smaller cubby on the passenger side. In the newer ones, it's just on the passenger side, so you could use just one of these to lock that up if you want to, or both for the driver's side. But anyway, we're going to give away a set of these shortly. If you're interested in picking one of these up, if you didn't win or maybe you didn't enter the contest, there will be a link down below where you can grab a couple of these. Pretty cool little mod. I want to give a shout out to Jake at Fabrication Tools Materials. He's the one that sent me these for the giveaway for the company. Pretty cool. Anyway, the rules to enter were quite simple. You had to comment with your Instagram name below the video that I put out for the giveaway. You needed to follow me on Instagram. And of course, you needed to be a subscriber to the channel. Now, to be honest, we didn't have thousands of entries, so I went ahead and I actually wrote them all down on these pieces of paper. That's what I mean by old school. We're going to just hold this up, we're going to draw one out, that's going to be the winner. Now, once I announce your name, I will contact you via the Instagram name that you gave me on the giveaway video, that you're the winner, and to give me your address where I can send your set of fantastic new cubby locks. You have 48 hours to contact me after I contact you, or I will have another drawing and give it away to somebody else. That's it. Now, one other thing I wanted to mention, I do giveaways every now and then on the channel, so if you're seeing this and you're not a subscriber and you're interested in free stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel, RobMotive, and click that notification bell so you don't miss the next big giveaway. All right, here we go. Let's get to it. We'll hold this box up. There you go. You can see all of the people that entered are on these pieces of paper. We're going to hold it up. We're going to draw one randomly. Matter of fact, before I do that, I'm going to shake them up. Now, we're going to go ahead and pick one. Good luck, and let's see what we get. Make sure I get just one. Okay, I think I have just one. There you go. This is the winner. Let's go ahead. We'll open it. You guys will get to see it first. There it is. It is, if the camera focuses, you might be able to see. Oh, come on now. Make sure I got it the right way. There you go. Now I know who the winner is. The winner is, there you go, Tacoma Beast 19. Hopefully it's not backwards on the screen. Tacoma Beast 19. You are the winner. I will be contacting you shortly. And again, you just need to respond to me with your shipping address, where you want these fantastic cubby locks to go, and I will send them out to you. That's it. Just that simple. Anyway, I appreciate you guys playing. Thanks for watching and being part of the channel. I really appreciate that. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.